How to create the perfect face care routine. Welcome to our tutorial on how to make the perfect face routine. With so many products and techniques out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to help. The key to a perfect face routine is to first understand your skin type. Are you oily, dry, or somewhere in between? This will determine what products will work best for you. The first step in any routine should be cleansing. A gentle cleanser will remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. This is important to do every day. Next, use a toner to balance the pH of your skin and prepare it for the next steps in your routine. Serums are packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. Look for one that addresses your specific needs, such as brightening, hydration, or anti-aging. Moisturizer is crucial for all skin types, as it helps to lock in hydration and keep your skin looking plump and youthful. And don't forget the sunscreen. It's essential to protecting your skin from the damaging effects of UV rays, and can also help prevent wrinkles and dark spots. Exfoliating your skin is important to keep it looking healthy and youthful. It helps to remove dead skin cells and dirt, as well as unclog pores. Be sure to use a gentle exfoliator, and exfoliate no more than once or twice a week. By following these steps and finding products that work for your specific skin type, you can create a routine that will leave your skin looking and feeling its best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.